Hi friends, welcome back to Codfidence, a channel for you to learn coding with confidence. My name is Binu and today we are going to learn how to create and test modules in Python. Let's first create a custom module with functions to do some mathematical operations. The module is given the name mathfun and saved as file mathfun.py. Then we will add a function square such that it will return the square of a given number. Let's add another function, say cube, to return the result such that the given number is raised to the power of 3. Now create another file. Save it with the name useModule.py and import the module mathfun we just created. Here mathfun is the name of module we just created without the extension .py. Next we will add statements to call the functions from module mathfun as follows. This statement will read a value through keyboard and assign it to the variable n. Now we can call the functions square and cube from the mathfun module. Run the program, enter some input value, say 5. We get 25 as the square and 125 as the cube of value 5. So the functions from module mathfun are working fine. Suppose we want to verify that the functions in the mathfun module are working as expected without any errors. To do that, we can add test code inside the mathfun module. Now execute the module itself. We get 4 as the square of 2 and 27 as the cube of value 3. Switch back to use module file and run the program. The first 2 lines of the output before asking the user to enter a number are the result of executing the test code in the math fun module. When we input a number, the rest of the code in the use module file is executed as normal. To avoid executing the test code in module when it is imported inside another program, we can include a conditional expression as follows. Run the math fun module. The test code is still working as the interpreter assigns the name _main _ to the math fun module using a pre-defined Python variable _name, and the if condition thus becomes true. So the code given inside the if block is executed, and thus the square of 2 and cube of 3 are printed. Next, go to use module file and run the program. Now the test code given inside the math fun module is not working as the interpreter this time assigns the name _main to the use module program. We can verify this by adding a print statement in our code. We can see that the variable _name is assigned with the value _main. Let us print the value of _name in module math fun also. When we directly execute the math fun module, the _name variable is assigned with the value _main. Now we will run the use module program again and check the value of _name variable. In the first line of text, you can see that the math fun module is given the name math fun by the interpreter as it is not directly executed here but loaded as a module. Now enter a number to complete the execution. In the last line, it is clear that the directly executed program, that is use module, is now assigned the name _main. So the conditional expression added in module math fun help us to execute the test code only when the module itself is directly executed. We will learn more about conditional expressions in the coming videos. We can conclude today's session with these points. In Python, a module is a file consisting of Python code like variables, functions, classes, and any other executable code. A module can be imported inside other Python programs or modules using the keywords import and from. The name of a Python code file or script without the extension .py becomes the module name. An item defined in a module is accessed inside other programs or modules using the syntax module name.item name, where item name may represent a variable, an object, or a function. Items from a module can be imported using one of the 5 methods given below, where module name represents the name of module to be imported. Item 1, item 2, etc. represents variables or objects in the module, and short name is the name given to represent a module. When a Python module or program is executed directly, Python interpreter assigns the name _main to the module or program. We can make use of the above feature to add self-test code inside a module by using the conditional statement block if name equals main, where the test code is only executed when we run the module directly instead of importing the module inside another program file. So thanks for watching. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section. Like and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.